Hello everyone, I'm Sarah from PZ Energy. Today, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions in the solar industry. Many installers say a 15 kilowatt hour lithium battery is equal to 16 220 ampere hour tubular batteries. Is that really true? The answer is not exactly. The first thing you need to understand is that amp hours and kilowatt hours are not the same measurement. A measures battery capacity at a specific voltage. Kilowatt hours measures the total energy stored. To compare batteries correctly, you must compare them in kilowatt hours, not just ampere hours. Let's look at an example. A 220 ampere hour 12-volt tubular battery stores about 12 volts times 220 ampere hours equals 2.64 kilowatt hours. However, lead-acid tubular batteries are usually recommended to discharge only about 50% for long life. That means the usable energy is roughly 2.64 kilowatt hours times 50% equals about 1.3 kilowatt hours of usable energy. Now, if you have 16 pieces of 220 ampere hour batteries arranged for a higher voltage system, the total theoretical stored energy is much higher. But the usable energy is still roughly half because of the recommended depth of discharge. Now let's compare lithium. A PZ5 kilowatt-hour LiFePO4 battery can safely use around 80–90% of its stored energy every day. A PZ10 kilowatt-hour lithium battery can also use around 80–90% of its capacity. And a PZ15 kilowatt-hour lithium battery delivers approximately 12 to 13.5 kilowatt-hours of usable energy, depending on the depth of discharge you choose. Lithium batteries also provide more stable voltage under load, faster charging, higher efficiency, longer cycle life, less maintenance. So when someone says a 15 kilowatt-hour lithium battery equals 16 220 ampere-hour tubular batteries, always ask, are you comparing total stored energy or usable energy? Those are two different things. The correct way to compare batteries is by looking at total stored energy, usable energy, depth of discharge, charging efficiency, cycle life, performance under load. At PZ Energy, we believe customers deserve accurate information, not confusing comparisons. Always compare batteries using usable energy, because that's the electricity you can actually use. PZ Energy, smart power, reliable energy.